Hello, I'm currently in a Travelodge off the M25 motorway. I'm staying here for the night before flying to Girona in Spain tomorrow. I'm going on a mother-daughter trip and I've got a couple of hours to kill here before I pick her up from the nearby train station. So I thought I'd just show you the art supplies I've brought with me and perhaps do a quick sketch. If you've seen any of my previous videos, there'll probably be no surprises what I've got in my art travel bag. So I've got my usual fleecy lined bag and my Seawhites watercolour sketchbook, pencil sharpener in the bag, eraser and sketchbook clips. I've got a couple of travel watercolour brushes, but I've also decided to add this Princeton Neptune square wash brush. Some landscapey Caran D'Ache Luminance pencils, and I've also included a General's charcoal pencil. This is a soft one. Then something I've not included in my travel kit before are some tempera paint sticks and some Faber-Castell gelatos. I'm just enjoying them so much for adding fun large marks. And then I've got my usual silicone travel cup for a water pot. And late last night I put together a new watercolour palette. I've gone quite heavy on the browns and greys in this selection because I'm going to Girona and there's lots of beautiful old stone around. And then I've got a Talens art creation sketchbook. This is a sketch I did the other night in bed. I don't think I've showed you. It's just from a photo that I took walking down a lane a little while back. I did an undercoat with Caran D'Ache Colour 2s, but then I ended up doing loads of detail with Liquitex acrylic markers, the really fat chunky ones, and really enjoyed it. So I'll try and do a sketch now, and I'm not quite sure how I'll video it. And I guess I'll sketch something out the window. We'll see how it goes anyway. So that's the view that I'm painting over there in that direction. And I've managed to, well, I'm using the inside of the bin turned upside down to put my phone on and kind of hold it steady with this clip. And here's my first paint layer that I've put down. I'm just waiting for it to dry now. I'll just add as well, I recently merged my full pan watercolours in with my half pans. Before, my Rosa Gallery and Roman Schmal old pans were permanently attached into tins, but now I've put magnets on the bottom and they're in with the rest of my paints. So it was nice just to be able to grab, I've got one Roman Schmal here, which is Van Dyke brown, lovely dark granulating brown. And then I've got Rosa Gallery cobalt grey here, again an absolutely lovely granulating colour. So here's my finished little sketch. These are the watercolour paints which I used. So nothing amazing, but a fun little memory of the view from my Travelodge. Well, sorry for such a poorly shot video, but it did help to pass the time. Thanks ever so much for watching, and hopefully I'll have some art from Girona coming up. Bye!